Class 8 Science Current Electricity and Magnetism.
Hi students, I am Hamberde sir from Motilal Kothari Vidyalay Kada, Taluka Asti, District Bid. Today I going to teach you the 8th class science chapter number 4 current electricity and magnetism. So student, current electricity and magnetism is very interesting chapter in our syllabus. In this chapter there are main two parts. First is a current electricity and second is a magnetism. That is, relation of current electricity and magnetism are explained in or introduced in this syllabus or in this 4th chapter. Now first study the introduction part of this chapter. The first part of the chapter is a atom. Atom is the smallest complete unit of matter. That is, every substance is made up of very small, tiny and elastic particles, and that small, tiny elastic particles are called as atom. The different substances are made up of different types of atoms. Same elements are made up of same types of atom. When atoms of different elements combine, then forms some molecules, and molecules combine together to form a substance. Such an atom consists 3 subatomic particles. First particle is a proton, second is a electron, and third particle is a neutron. We know that the proton and neutrons are present in the nucleus of atom, and electrons revolves around the nucleus. The protons are the subatomic particles which carries positive charge, and electrons are subatomic particle which carries negative charge. That is, atom consists 2 charged particles, protons and electrons. Neutrons are chargeless particle. In previous lecture or in previous standard, we studied that the protons are discovered by the scientist Eugen Goldstein, while the electrons are discovered by the scientist J.J. Thomson, and neutrons are discovered by James Chadwick. Now the next topic is a charge. त्याला मराठीमध्ये आपण म्हणतो प्रभार. व्हॉट इज मीन बाय चार्ज? प्रभार कशाला म्हटलं जातं? Definition of charge. Charge is a physical property of a matter which tends to experience a force in an electric field. There are 2 types of electric charges. One is a positive charge and second is a negative charge. The positive charge are carried by protons, negative charge carried by electrons. One electron carries 1.6 into 10 raised to power minus 19 coulomb electric charge. Same charge carried by proton. One proton carries 1.6 into 10 raised to power minus 19 coulomb positive charge. Electron carries negative charge, proton carries positive charge, but they carries same magnitude of charge, 1.6 into 10 raised to power minus 19 coulomb. The charge is measured in unit, that is coulomb. That is, coulomb is the SI unit of electric charge. We also know that the important properties these electric charges, that is, two like charges, positive, positive, two like charges, negative, negative, always repel each other. That is, there is a force of repulsion between like charges, while there is a force of attraction between unlike charges. That is, positive charge and negative charge, that is oppositely charged, attract each other. That is force of attraction between oppositely charged. Then next point is static charges. What is mean by static charges? If the electric charges remains rest or stationary, then it is called static charges. If the electric charges remains rest or stationary, then it is called static charges. And the electricity due to static charges is called static electricity. For example of static charges, when plastic comb rubbed on dry hair, when plastic comb rubbed on dry hair, this is a plastic comb. हा plastic comb आहे, and when this plastic comb rubbed on a dry hair and kept near the paper pieces, then the paper pieces get attracted toward itself. Yeah, this plastic comb attract the paper pieces, because when plastic comb rubbed on dry hair, it loses the electron. Plastic comb loses electrons, and therefore comb get positively charged and here get negative charge. And such a electric charges remains rest on this plastic and here, because they are bad conductor of electricity. And such a rest charges are called as static charges. Similarly, when glass rod rubbed on silk cloth, ebonite rod rubbed on woolen cloth, same static charges are produced. Then next point of our syllabus is electricity. What is meant by electricity? The energy which is used to run the power machines like refrigerator, fan, bulb, tube light, cooler, television, etc. are called as electricity. म्हणजे जी इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी किंवा जी एनर्जी इलेक्ट्रिक पॉवर मशीन्स रन करण्यासाठी वापरली जाते, त्या एनर्जीला म्हटलं जातं इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, वीज. देयर आर टू टाइप्स ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. देयर आर two types of electricity. One is a static electricity and another is a current electricity. What is meant by static electricity? When the electric charges remains rest or stationary, then such a electricity is called static electricity. And when the electric charges flows through the conductor or substance, then such a electricity is called करंट इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. तेव्हा अशा इलेक्ट्रिसिटीला करंट इलेक्ट्रिसिटी म्हटलं जातं. देन नेक्स्ट इन धिस चॅप्टर वी आर गोइंग टू स्टडी द करंट इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. Then next point in our syllabus is a electric potential or electrostatic potential. What is meant by electric potential? The level of electric charges at a particular point is called as electric potential. The level of electric charges at a particular point is called electric potential. एका विशिष्ट पॉइंटला असणारी इलेक्ट्रिक चार्जेसची लेवल म्हणजे असतं त्या पॉइंटचं इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेन्शियल, विद्युत विभव. If the level of electric charges is very high at a particular point, then it is called high potential. And if the level of electric charges is less, then it is called low potential. We know that the positive electric charges always flow from level of or point of high potential to point of low potential. We know that the heat always flow from hot object to cool object. Air flows from high pressure to low pressure. Water flows from higher level to lower level. Similarly, electric positive charges flows from point of high electric potential to point of low electric potential. This is the electric potential. Then next point is a potential difference. What is meant by potential difference? Potential difference PD. What is the potential difference? Potential difference is the amount of work done in moving unit positive charge from one point to another point in an electric field. इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड मधील एका पॉइंट पासून दुसऱ्या पॉइंट पर्यंत युनिट पॉझिटिव्ह चार्ज ट्रान्सफर होत असताना जे काही वर्क डन घडून येतं त्या वर्क डनला म्हटलं जातं इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेन्शियल. That is, electric potential between 2 points in an electric field is the amount of work done in moving unit positive charge from one point to another point. And therefore, formula of potential difference is given as electric potential difference is equal to amount of work done in moving quantity of charge transfer. That is, phi is equal to W upon Q. Here W is the work done, Q be the charge transfer and V be the potential difference. The SI unit of potential difference is a volt, because this potential difference first studied by the scientist Alessandro Volta, which made the simple cell. The potential difference between 2 points in an electric circuit is measured by the device known as
voltmeter.
Then next, need of potential difference. Connect the connecting wires in electric circuit as shown in figure, that is A. There is no bulb is glow in this figure or in this electric circuit. Tell me why the bulb cannot glow in this circuit? In this electric circuit A, bulb is not glow because there is no potential difference is applied across this circuit. पहा या सर्किटमध्ये बल्ब ग्लो होत नाही त्याचं कारण आहे की या सर्किटमध्ये आपण बॅटरी किंवा सेल जोडलेला नाहीये, म्हणजे आपण त्या सर्किटच्या 2 पॉइंटमध्ये कुठेही पोटेन्शियल डिफरन्स अप्लाय केलेलं नाही. आणि आपण बॅटरीच्या 2 टोकांमध्ये पोटेन्शियल डिफरन्स अप्लाय केलेलं नसल्यामुळे या ठिकाणी बल्ब ग्लो होताना आपल्याला दिसत नाहीये. नाउ लेट अस सी द सेकंड फिगर B, circuit B. In this electric circuit, we connect one cell having positive and negative terminal. And when this cell connected in electric circuit, then current flows through the connecting wires and as a result, bulb seen to glow in the circuit. या फिगर मध्ये पहा, बॅटरी जोडलेली, सेल जोडलेला आहे आणि सेल जोडलेला असल्यामुळे सर्किटच्या त्या कनेक्टिंग वायर्स मधून करंट फ्लो होतोय आणि त्याच्यामुळे आपल्याला तो बल्ब ग्लो झालेला दिसतोय. This activity infer that there is need of potential difference to be applied to flow the current in a conducting wires or circuit. If there is no potential difference applied the electric circuit, the current will not flow through the circuit. And if we apply the potential difference across circuit, then current flows through circuit and bulb get glow. Then now next point is a electric current. Electric current, vidyut dhara. What is meant by electric current? The rate of flow of electrons or electric charges through the unit cross sectional area of conductor is called as electric current. Another definition of electric current, the flow of electric charges through unit cross sectional area of conductor in unit time is called as electric current. Electric current denoted by letter I. The formula of electric current, I is equal to Q upon T. That is, here I be the electric current, Q be the charges and T be the time. The SI unit of electric current is a ampere, and electric current is measured in electric circuit by using the device known as ammeter. Then next point of the syllabus is a electric cell. What is meant by electric cell? A general device which is used to produce potential difference at 2 points of an electric circuit is called as electric cell. विद्युत घट. इलेक्ट्रिक सर्किटच्या दोन टोकांमध्ये पोटेन्शियल डिफरन्स निर्माण करण्यासाठी जे काही जनरल डिव्हाइस तेथे कनेक्ट केलं जातं त्या जनरल डिव्हाइसला इलेक्ट्रिक सेल म्हटलं जातं. That is, the electric cell is a general device which is used to create potential difference between two terminals of the electric circuit. There are different types of electrical cells are available nowadays in a market. The main function of any electric cell to maintain the potential difference across the terminal of cell. That is constant potential difference across the terminal of cell. And there are different types of cells available, electric cell available in a electric market. We well aware about the solar cells, dry cells. Similarly, lead acid cell, dry cell, then nickel cadmium cell, button cell, such as cells are available in a market. And these cells are made up of different types of chemical substances. And the chemical reaction takes place in a cell, creates the potential difference or electric charges. And these electric charges makes to flow the electric current in a circuit. The first cell is a dry cell, which studied in the next lecture. So today we will stop here.